How to cancel the Apple Music subscription. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to cancel the Apple Music subscription, here is the process that you need to follow. So first and foremost, head over to your device settings. Once you are on your settings page, scroll down and find apps. Tap on it, then go towards the App Store. Once you tap on App Store, tap on the option of personalized recommendations. This might ask you for your Face ID or passcode. After that, head over to subscription. Here you will see all of your subscription including the Apple Music. Tap on it and you will see the option of cancel subscription. Tap on it and confirm. And once you do this, you will successfully cancel your Apple Music subscription. However, you might still be able to use it until it expires. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.